Bonjour, hello and welcome to Max Mountain World. Today I'm at work, got to justify my existence here somehow, and sometimes things can get not necessarily hazardous but interesting. One of the things I'm doing here is I'm preparing apartments, checking for repairs, doing repairs, stuff like that. One of the things I do is I go out in the balconies and just double check all the handrails and everything are safe and okay. This can be interesting. Check this out. This is the problem, they come back every year, they build their nests, and the result is a fair bit of cleaning to be done on a regular basis. It's actually illegal to touch these nests, to destroy them or whatever, so we just got to live with it. But these guys put on a pretty good air show. Not sure if I've got a good copy of this on this, but I've managed videos before. I'll put a couple of links in the top right of the screen. Wow. Very difficult to catch. They're so fast. There's one. So there we are, one of the hazards at work. Yeah, it's not really a hazard, but as I say, I've done previous videos on that, so there'll be a couple of links goes in, not up there, but up there. And that's it, just a little video today on nature around the building. The old birds, there seem to be more and more every year, but maybe that's just an effect of the mind, I don't know. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Keep subscribing, more videos coming very soon. Until the next one, ciao.